How to send long videos on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send longer videos on Messenger. Well, if you have tried it, then you must know that if you open up a chat on Messenger and try to send a short video, it'll be sent easily. But if you try sending a longer one, now I don't have any here, but if you try sending it, then it won't allow you. So how you can send the longer videos? Now, in order to do so, I'll just guide you quickly through. You want to first go ahead and open up Google Drive. So first you want to open the Google Drive. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the plus icon, the new icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't have Google Drive, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. So you want to tap on plus icon there, and now you want to select the upload option. Once you select upload, what you want to do is you want to head over to the particular file here. You want to head over to the particular video that you are wishing to send, and you want to select it and you want to upload it to Google Drive. Once you have done so, it'll be shown up here on your files, right? You want to tap on three dots beside it once it's uploaded here, and then you can simply tap on copy link, or you can simply tap on share as well. Now you can see manage access option. Once you tap on share, you want to simply tap on manage access here, and then here now you want to simply tap on change, and you can set it. You can change the access to your file first. Anyone with the link, you can set it. And once you do so, now you can easily head back once again, and now this time tap on three dots and then tap on copy link, and then go ahead and share your link, and whoever you're trying to share the video, they can open up the link and they can download the video and watch it easily. So this way you can send long videos on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.